Happy Thanksgiving. We are cooking Soykey tonight. Are you ready? Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is start my pan on medium-high. That'll heat up pretty quickly. Okay, second thing, this is our Soykey with our soy curls with broth and poultry seasoning and some sage in it that we soaked overnight. And we're going to pour this through a strainer into another pan, and this will be the gravy pan. So I'm going to let this strain out while we wait for our pan to heat up. Okay. Are you so excited? Do you love Soykey? Okay, this is getting hot. Soy curls, be careful. Alright. Soy curls are low in fat, high in fiber, and high in protein. 0 cholesterol because they are made from plants. But take a look how that looks like chicken or turkey. And we're going to cook it up just like we would saute up some chicken and turkey. Okay. That was close. Alright. Medium-high heat. We are just going to stir this for a couple minutes. Don't cough in the Soykey. Okay. So this is going to be our gravy, and we've got some garbanzo bean flour here. Everything here is gluten-free. The gravy is going to be gluten-free as well. So this is 1/2 cup of garbanzo bean flour. I'm going to kind of whisk this in. Once the soy curls are cooked, I'm going to switch pans. And does that smell good? It smells like Thanksgiving, doesn't it?
We're gonna eat lasagna for Thanksgiving.
Yep, and some Soykey. Did you? How
Wait,
much?
Am I going to have 70 grams for dinner?
Yes. Yes. Do you remember last Thanksgiving how much Soykey you had on your plate?
I had like almost 1,000.
Almost 1,000 Soykeys? Oh my gosh.
Oh, I can't even smell that broth.
This smells. Doesn't that smell delicious?
Oh
my gosh. It smells so good.
Are we going to eat at Bonnie's house?
Yes, we are. You forgot? Okay. So, I think I'm going to turn this up a little bit. It's taking a while. You want to cook this until it is a little bit browned, and it will...
We're going to do the video while tasting.
You want to taste it while we're on the video? Okay. So I've turned it up to high now. I typically, on a typical stovetop, I think you'll really only need to use medium-high.
That burns my face.
Does it smell so good though? It absolutely smells like Thanksgiving in the whole kitchen right now. It's so good. Are you hiding? So we've got soy curls.
I'm okay.
1 package of soy curls in here, 1 jug of broth, heaping tablespoon of this poultry seasoning, a heaping teaspoon of sage, soaked overnight. And the longest part of this whole recipe is just cooking it on the stovetop, and that's, clearly pretty easy here, pretty quick. Much quicker than preparing a whole turkey. Right, Seiji? We've never made a turkey. We always just make soyki, don't we? Okay.
We never knew about soy when I was 0.
Right. I didn't even know about soyki yet when you were 0.
You were 31.
Sure, I'll take it. Okay, so this is starting to kind of get more tender and starting to brown a little bit. On the website, I do have.
It smells like almost turkey.
Yeah, almost turkey. On the website, I do have. It smells like almost turkey. I do have instructions where you can bake this also. Same exact instructions except for spreading it out on a sheet pan and baking it. And it does get more brown and more crisp. That's enough. And so baking it is an option as well. And it's probably the better option if you're making this in bulk, like 2 or 3 packages at once, which I have done before. Okay. I think we're ready to taste it. Let's get a little fork. And which one do you want? It's gonna be hot, so we're gonna have to blow on it, okay?
That one.
Whoop. Doesn't it look just like turkey too?
Now you try it at the same time. Hold on.
Yummy. Is that good?
You tasted most of it.
I tasted most of it. I just got a teeny tiny bite out there.
Ah.
Okay. You want more? This is her favorite. This was by far her favorite recipe with soy curls. Oh, careful, careful. That's going to be really hot. Alright, so I'm going to take this off and put it to the side.
Yummy.
Okay, put a lid on it. Alright, and now for the gravy. So I'm going to put this one on medium-low heat.
Is it yummy? Sage approves.
And so this, sure. So this has, the leftover broth and the same spices as the Soykey recipe.
The dog was under the stool.
Silly doggy. Okay, and so we are going to literally just heat this up until it gives us a little bit of a boil, and then we will whisk in the garbanzo bean flour. We have to wait. We're waiting. So this recipe is very low fat, no added oil, and so it's a really good, healthy Thanksgiving recipe. All right. It's starting to heat up a little bit. Let's turn this up a little bit until it boils.
37.
375. All right, so we're just gonna sit here and wait until it boils. Just watch it. A watch pot boils faster. That's what I hear. All right? Okay. So
Your hands is almost on the broth.
it is. Okay, it's starting to boil a little bit. See there?
Can we put it on now?
Yep. A little soft boil. And then we're going to sprinkle that in slowly, okay? Yep. Good job. Good job. slowly. Good girl. Okay.
Oops.
All right. It's okay. Just
That happened.
that happens. All right. So
Can
we're just
I?
gonna whisk this. Yep. You can whisk it. So it's turning into a nice gravy color and consistency.
And it's almost really goofy.
And it's starting to splash up a little bit. So I'm going to
Starts
turn
be
it down.
goofy.
Yeah, it's a
Oh,
little bit goopy.
right there, it's a little goopy.
Is that a goopy spot?
Yeah.
Alright. Gravy is goopy, so that's what we're going for. So we only put about a quarter of the...
More of this?
Sure.
Just a little bit more. Not all of it. Not
A
all
little
of
bit.
it.
There we go. Alright, good.
One more pinch.
Okay, one more pinch. Alright.
Pinch.
Okay.
So how much total did you put in?
So there we have it. This is just over a quarter cup of garbanzo bean flour.
Whoa! Now this is really goopy.
Yeah, it's just like gravy.
So you say like a third?
Yeah.
Goopy, goopy, goopy.
So that has reached a really good gravy consistency, and this is a half cup, and there's about a third of a half cup left there. So this concludes the recipe. I hope you like it, and you can share it with your family too. Gluten-free soy curls turkey recipe. We call it Soykey. All right. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving.